Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I would do a video and talk to you about how you can build a money-making machine from home today. All right, a lot of times people overcomplicate things and they never get anywhere because, they overcomplicate things. So I thought I'd do a quick video. And if you don't know who I am, my name's Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been fortunate enough to be self-employed since 2018 full-time, both my wife and I, and I'm truly passionate about helping people create mailbox money. So the first thing that you want to do to build a money-making machine from home is you want to find a niche that you're passionate about. You want to find a product or service in a niche that you're passionate about. All right, because you have to have passion when you're doing this. If you're just trying to sell things just to sell things and make money, then you're not going to have much success. All right, at least that's been my experience and things that I've heard from other people over the years. If you're just trying to put videos up or promote links to different products or services that you're not into or that you don't use yourself, it's hard to do. Okay, I'm not saying it can't be done, but it's hard to do. So you want to pick out something that you are passionate about, because people join people who they like, who they know, and who they trust. Okay? And so if you're just joining an opportunity with somebody who, they're making videos, you don't even know what they look like because they're having videos created by AI, how do you know if that person is truly passionate about what they're doing? How do you know that person's going to be there when you need help or have a question? You really don't. So that's why I practice what I preach, and I make videos every day showing people exactly what I do so that you can follow me and take action and be successful. Because that's what it is. You have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent in order to be successful. So once you find a product or a service in a niche that you're passionate about, the next thing you want to do is you want to choose a business model. All right, and there's all kinds of different business models out there. There's affiliate marketing, there's e-commerce, there's passive residual income, there's direct mail, there's all kinds of different things. I personally like direct mail, and I like building residual income. Okay, so when you have that done, then you want to have systems in place, and you want to set systems up that do all the selling and telling for you, where they have built-in autoresponders, so when somebody requests more information, there's a follow-up system in place. So basically, the only job that you have to do is drive traffic to your system. Okay? And that pretty much puts everything on autopilot. You don't have to talk to anybody. You don't have to, I choose to talk to people, and I let people know that I'm here if they need help. But you can certainly start one of the businesses that I'm involved with. You don't even have to talk to people, okay? In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what I do, and it's so easy to do that you don't have to do anything other than one step, all right? But once you have the system in place, then you drive traffic to the system. You can do free traffic, you can do paid traffic, you can do online marketing, you can do offline marketing. Now, I do offline and online marketing because that's, it's just the best combination. You want to get as many eyeballs on your opportunity as possible. So when you use offline and online marketing, you're doubling the number of eyeballs that see your opportunity. Okay, it's a no-brainer. The more people that see your opportunity means more leads, all right, because more people are going to want information, and the more leads you get equals more sales in the long run. Okay? So once you have the traffic driving and driving traffic to your page and you start making sales, then you want to reinvest and you scale up your business. And then after you're making $500 to $1,000 consistently, then you go ahead and diversify and add another income stream. So what I do, okay, I have a website online. It's joinruss.com. Right? This just goes over to my Linktree page, but this has all the opportunities that I'm involved with online. Okay? So what I do is I drive people to my joinruss.com page. And I do that through online marketing. I make YouTube videos, I make Facebook videos, I share content on Facebook and YouTube. Those are the biggest platforms that I use. Those are the only two social media platforms that I focus on, is YouTube and Facebook. Then there's a couple other sites online that I share my link with. And then what I do is offline marketing. I send out letters to people. I'm involved in 2 direct mail opportunities, okay? And when you join these direct mail opportunities, the product that you receive are leads. And these are opportunity-seeking leads. So these are people who are requesting more information on how to start a home-based business or how to work from home. They're looking to supplement or replace their income. And I take those leads and I mail out letters. And inside the letters, I put my 2 postcard opportunities. I put my 2 other global opportunities that I partake in. And then I add one of my business cards. Okay, one of my joinruss.com business cards. And this just works perfectly. It's a perfect combination. And you can use this method to grow any business. All right, the 2 direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of, you're getting leads. All right, so you leverage those leads. And you can share the lead opportunity, the direct mail opportunity, with other people. So when they join you there, you make commissions. And then they can go ahead and promote whatever they want. So it's a super, super easy system that I have set up. When they go to Join Russ and they go to any of my opportunities, all those opportunities have systems in place. There's a lead capture system. There's a follow-up system. There's a sales page. There's everything. My only job is to get people over to joinruss.com. Okay? And I do it through offline and online marketing. It doesn't get any easier than this. You can do this in your spare time. It doesn't take very long to do it at all. And the key to having success with it is staying consistent. All right? Like I always say, you have to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. And if you do that, then you'll get results. All right, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with any of my opportunities, simply because I don't know you or your work ethic, and it's all based around your work ethic. But I can tell you that you can build a money-making machine starting today by finding a product or service that you're passionate about, in a niche that you're passionate about, using a business model that you're passionate about, having systems set in place, and driving traffic to those systems through online and offline marketing. And then when you start making commissions, you take some of those commissions, reinvest it back into your business so you can scale your business. And then once you start making, a residual income that you're happy with, then you can go and diversify and start adding other income streams. So if you want more information about any of the opportunities that I'm involved with, go to joinruss.com. When you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page that I put together. It has over 80 different places where you can share your opportunity online. 99% of those places are free. You're going to get my letter template that I use to mail out all my letters. You're going to get my contact information so you can reach out anytime you need help or have any questions. And, the only thing that you have to do is show up every day, take action, and stay consistent. And you can have success with this. Anybody can do this. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to make this work. All right. I mean, you're just mailing out postcards or letters and driving people to your capture pages. Okay. You don't have to overcomplicate things. You don't have to be a marketing guru. You don't have to have a list of 100,000 people to make this work. You simply follow what I'm doing, and you can have success if you decide to have success. It's totally up to you. So with that being said, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And you can click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.